There are few days that go by where parents with newborn babies and growing toddlers aren't lugging around all the little essentials their child needs to stay clean, calm, and happy. That's why we created a gender-neutral diaper caddy that provides you with more space, more accessible pockets, and all the little extras you need to stay organized no matter where your day together might lead. The Star Hug Diaper Caddy features a durable T-divider for customizable storage, 2 inner pockets, and far more room to store all your baby's changing essentials within reach. Designed with a high-quality cotton rope exterior and with easily cleanable polyester lining on the inside, the Star Hug Diaper Caddy comes as a standalone nursery organizer, or you can choose the caddy with a portable changing pad, which easily fits inside baby's bag and provides a large, comfortable, cushioned space for changing diapers anywhere. This versatile diaper caddy not only helps you better organize a nursery or personal space, it's compact and lightweight enough that you can take it in the car, a stroller, or to grandma's house. Organizing your baby's life has never been easier than with a premium Star Hug Diaper Caddy.